everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into one of the most iconic bikes out there, the 2026 Honda Fury. This bike has been making waves in the motorcycle community for its bold design, powerful performance, and unbeatable comfort. Whether you're a seasoned rider or just a motorcycle enthusiast, the Honda Fury always manages to grab attention wherever it goes. So, let's take a closer look at what makes this bike so special. First, let's talk about the engine. The 2026 Honda Fury comes equipped with a 1312cc V-twin engine, which offers a smooth, yet powerful performance. With its increased torque, this bike provides a perfect balance of cruising power and responsiveness. Whether you're hitting the open road or navigating through city streets, the engine ensures a thrilling ride. When it comes to design, the Honda Fury is truly a masterpiece. Its long, low-slung profile stands out, giving it that classic chopper-style aesthetic that everyone loves. The frame is sleek and clean, with minimalistic lines that make it look like it's built for both style and speed. Honda really nailed the look with a stretched-out fork and a bold fuel tank design that catches the eye every time. Plus, the chrome accents add that extra shine, making this bike not just a ride, but a work of art. Now, let's talk about comfort. One thing that stands out with the Fury is its riding experience. The seat is designed for long-distance comfort, and the forward controls ensure that you have a relaxed posture while riding. So, whether you're planning on taking a quick spin or hitting the highway for a longer ride, you'll appreciate how comfortable this bike feels. Another highlight is the ride quality. With its advanced suspension system, the Fury handles bumps and rough patches with ease, providing you with a smooth ride no matter what the road throws at you. And when it comes to braking, the Honda Fury features disc brakes that deliver strong and reliable stopping power, giving you confidence in every twist and turn. But it's not just about looks and performance. The 2026 Fury also comes with modern tech features. It has a digital instrument cluster, offering essential info like speed, fuel levels, and more, so you can stay informed while focusing on the ride. It also has LED lighting for better visibility, and let's face it, the Fury looks even cooler when those lights are shining at night. In conclusion, the 2026 Honda Fury is a bike that blends style, performance, and comfort into one incredible package. Whether you're a fan of custom choppers or just love a powerful, smooth ride, the Fury definitely delivers. If you're thinking about upgrading your ride or just want to see what all the hype is about, I highly recommend giving this bike a closer look. Thanks for tuning in. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all things bikes. See you next time.